Welcome back to WeFals. Today, we're taking you high above the clouds as we begin our descent on the world-famous Bana Hills cable car network. Bana Hills is famous for one unique experience. Locals often say you can witness all 4 seasons in a single day here. This video is a pure, raw 4K experience of the cable car descent from the top of Bana Hills all the way down. No rush, no distractions, just the peaceful sounds and breathtaking scenery of Vietnam. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
I'm good.
Okay.
We don't get lost. We have to make a picture of the group together.
Yeah. Lost?
Everyone came?
Yeah?
Everyone came?
No,
Yes.
anyone? No. Lost.
Of course.
God, you see beauty where I see loss. Lucid dreaming, losing what you love. You're so enlightened that you forgot. All we need is someone else to hold. You found another place to float away, rising higher from the ground you claim. Wish that we could talk the same. About the things we love, about the things we love, about the things we love, about the things we love. But you're not asking, making sure I'm fine. If I'm not you, I haven't tried enough. Then you say you never shine so bright, but leave no room for life beside. Yours is all you ever seem to me. See you talk about health, but is it really that healthy? How you fulfill yourself? Maybe I shouldn't mind at all, but I miss when we were more similar. About the things you love, about the things you love, about the things you love, about the things you love. You're not asking, making sure I'm fine. You found another place to float away, rising higher from the ground you claim. Wish that we could talk the same. Yeah. Go from here. White sheets over furniture, the same as when we left. Clean cut underneath. Light muslin and canvas, till someone's coming back. Crunch under my feet. You never really said it all till you said it all. Testing now. Where do we go from here? You never really said it all.